Hey, good evening, everybody. How we doing? Good evening. Sorry for being late here, guys. I had some real estate stuff I was trying to take care of. Finally just got home. Well, I got home a few minutes ago. Just got everything ready here. Finally sitting down, though. Ready to get the stream on. So hopefully one of you guys will be the lucky winner tonight of the giveaway. So if you guys haven't, where's my entrance music? This is what I usually play on the intro. Bass hits. I'll have to definitely get together a full sort of entry song though. But hey, Kyle, Noy, Paul, Jane, Angia, Yo Jim Blob, Hiel, NHO Profit. Good evening. The Thate Safe fam? What's up? Jerry Trades, Lone Wolf. Sorry for the delay, everybody. I apologize for being late here. Cool bro, what's up? How you doing? Savage Princess in the vertical stream. Hey, don't be lonely over there. Don't be lonely. NG Gaming in the house. What's up? How's everybody doing? How are you doing? I'm assuming you guys are probably green already. Long, probably, right? Savage Princess, hi. Richard Dowdy, what's up? All right. Well, I mean, we're bullish, obviously, here. We got orders above 30,575. Also 30,600. So I'll be looking for a pullback for a long entry here. All-time highs, you know how we do. Looking for new all-time highs. No, I clicked the live stream. LOL, I was trying to bring everyone else to the stream so they don't feel lonely. Okay, nice, yeah. Don't be like Savage Princess, spend the whole night in the vertical stream and be like, where the heck is everybody tonight? Yeah, so if you are in the vertical stream and you want to join us on the full-size stream, there is a pinned comment there. Hit that to come across. Or hang out there. I'm fine with that either. So we will be doing the giveaway tonight for the 25K Lucid Flex account sometime tonight. Let's take a look. How many people do we have signed up for that now? We have 187 entries for the Sunday giveaways, and a couple of them are We have some extra entries for a couple people. Anyone who's been supporting the stream throughout the week and lucky enough to win one of those duck races to get an extra entry here. So excited to give that away to somebody tonight. If you're in the full size stream, so there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. Hit that. That'll take you to the Discord. When you're in the Discord, just go to the giveaway channel. There's a pinned comment in the giveaway channel in the Discord. Click that link. It's a little form. You fill that guy out, and then you'll be entered for today's Sunday giveaway and all the future Sunday giveaways that we're doing. We're doing a bit of a Sunday giveaway campaign. We're a few weeks in already. I think about 4 or 5 weeks in, and we'll be doing more, continuing on as long as they keep giving me more accounts whenever I ask for it. So oh yeah, so I did update my my discount code with Top 1 Futures now too. So all of my codes should be Butcher now. So I need to just update this little banner here. Top 1 Futures should be Butcher also. Save. There we go. Long from 30,000, 560, eh? Okay, I mean, we're looking pretty strong at the moment. We got orders up at 75, which is, well, a little bit below that too. Looks like 70, what is this? 72, 73 area. You mentioned. ES is super bullish, guys. ES is actually almost looks a little bit better than NQ at the moment. How many points is this? ES is currently up 32 points on the night. Wow. NQ is up 213 points. Wow. Beautiful. How's the oil doing here, guys? Let's take a look at oil real quick. Oil popped up, eh? From 88 up to 89, almost 890 basically, and then we've been going sideways ever since. That's interesting, because we got NQ, ES popping up and oil going in the same direction. Hey, Gary LP, how you doing? Anyone know how to fix KYC breach account? And did I get back my account? So know your client breach account? I'm not sure what do you mean. Is it KYC, like know your client? So did you not fill out your know your client information correctly? Yo. Cool, bro. Got 3 people in the vertical stream. Already up to 49 people in this in the YouTube channel. So, hey, Tim, thank you for that. I appreciate the support. Smash the like button and subscribe, please. So polite, too. Throwing in the please at the end. Thank you. Hey, 29 likes. So, like usual, we'll shoot for 100 likes to do the giveaway. We'll, I guess we won't really be adding a form tonight. So we just go by the normal form. So as soon as we hit that 100 like level, we will get that giveaway going. I do need to double check to make sure that the when we get to 75 likes, I'll start working on the giveaway entries to make sure that it's all ready to go for the duck race. But I did make a song for the duck race, guys. So we got a duck race song now too. Should be interesting.
I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account.
Well, hopefully, I mean, I don't want to go against Jerry's trade here, but I'm hoping we get a pullback to the VWAP here at some point. Let's see, where's our... We got a 15-minute lining up with the 490, the 500 area. So I'm interested in this area for long here, the 590, 500 area, 490, 500 area. Although we do have also an unmitigated fair value gap down here at 443. But the way we're looking, I don't know, we might not be getting very deep pullback. So far, also this 525 level has held in this current price consolidation here. Pushing up right now a bit. So the orders are up at 30,570, 573, 575, and 580 at the moment. And then we have 100 orders up at 600. Looking below, we do have 83 contracts down at 500, 30,500. But seems like a little bit heavier above. Although, yeah, it's looking a little bit heavier above at the moment. But I don't want to just jump in here just because we're pretty much too close to the highs here. Would hate to jump in here and have to sit through some pain before we bounce. But, you know, no reason to think bullish at the moment, or bearish, sorry, at the moment. Got to lean bullish at the moment, so. Tim, you're long, you're looking for 580. Nice, yeah. I mean, it's definitely a reasonable target. Did they just pull the orders? They just pulled some orders off at 580. It shows 38 there, and then when I scroll it, it gets thinner. Okay, there was like 57 there before at 80, and now it's down to 38, 48, sitting at 48. All right, Tim. Good luck with that. Good luck, bro. I don't see why not. Everything's sort of pointing that way. Glad you guys are in longs. Put those orders back on. Yeah, they didn't really pull it completely. They just pulled some off only for a minute there, and now they're back on. You can see there's a little gap right there that they kind of like pulled it off for a second. It wasn't even them all. They just took like some of them off. So maybe like 10 came off.
Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
58 people watching right now, all in YouTube. I'm just gonna pop over to X, make sure that that's all fired up good. We have nobody in there, so maybe if I go click the live stream, they will come over. There we go. Oh, that was weird. Step one, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with this spot on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing a range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. I'll pay 50 on a funded account. Next guy, I blew mine in one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. V-Wack tag, yeah, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat. It's okay. I don't believe in long-term short currently. Maybe 100-point drop max. Yeah, I mean, if that, right? At the moment, it is Market Butcher 1, just like the number 1. Market Butcher 1.
MNQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher, base hits only, no fuss.
So I am gonna run a campaign on. I haven't built it yet. I got to get everything in order. I'm gonna send an email out to everybody and run a campaign for a 50K Lucid Pro account. Oh my God, what happened there? That was a huge drop, guys. That was a huge drop. Look at that thing. Dropping down to the 40s here. Right to previous day high. Did we get some news or something there? I'm going to open up Financial Juice here real quick. Keep an eye out here. Hey, thanks, Jane. Thank you. Thank you.
No fuss. Look at the drop. Yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over
Good thing. Yeah, it's good to follow me on X and on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to be putting that 50K giveaway. Oh yeah, oil did the same thing except for the opposite direction, hey? Oil popped up. So let's keep an eye on. I just opened up Financial Juice here to see if any news comes out, and then we'll make a call on that. Sorry about that, whoever was long there. But maybe, I mean, it's not that far down from where you were, probably. I think you're in about, like, the price was at 60s, and now it's recovering back to 55. So just be careful. Be ready to cut this if that thing decides to continue lower. That could have been a possible entry though on the like they held this 553 bullish fair value gap. This could be a bullish sign. Let's wait for this candle to close though. Hey, Caillou. Oh, hey, what's up? Thank you for that. And like nobody ever comments, so like you're probably like the 5th person ever to comment from X, Caillou. And nobody ever goes to X, and if they are there, they're just silently in the background. So Keith Smith, you're still long. Nice. Yeah, I mean, with the way that thing recovered there, I don't see why you would change your bias yet. Like, if anything, that's a bullish thing. They just tried to sweep out stops there. But just pay attention to this. You know, if we start making a couple bearish candles in a row, we might be looking for a pullback to the VWAP. So, hey, thank you. Yeah, thanks for that.
Watching only 21 likes. Hit that button. Don't be that guy. VWAP tag. Yeah, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long. Let's eat. I'm short 5 micros. I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump. Yeah, same bro. Market said, watch this. Then it go. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight unless I forget. And I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that? MNQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher, base hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right? Right. We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
After seeing that dip, I may move my stop to 550 to protect your position. Hey, Brick, how you doing? Good evening. You swept your stop, Joe Jim? Ah, that sucks. It's one of those annoying ones where it like sweeps down and then recovers. But I mean, this could also be the start of a push lower. But usually when we get a nice wick like that, that's a pretty bullish sign. Like they might continue pulling back a little bit here and then bounce. So
Look at the drop, yeah, track going wild.
yes, we are. I made a bunch of songs in from the AI music, and it's we got some hip hop, we got some rock, we got some heavy metal, we got some pop. What I usually do is I'll take the comments from the comment section and upload that to ChatGPT, and then ask it to turn the comments into a song, and then add the people's names. So if you notice, people's names are often talked about in the song here. Yeah, it looks like I may have missed that entry. Previous day high held there nicely, 30,537. Here we go in bullish now. Keywords from the streams, yeah. Yeah, I was just trying to take people's stops, exactly. The buyers are here, right? The buyers are here. They like basically let it go for a minute, and then they just jumped right back in and bought it up, right? Stop hunting. That's actually pretty funny and not as cringe as I initially thought. This is like a grimy London version hip hop song here. Still no news. Okay, so no news came through on that. Let me just refresh this in case it's not up to date here. Australian dollar. It wasn't an hour candle. It wasn't anything. United States dollar index. That was at 11 after, so that wasn't it either. Okay, well, I'm not seeing any news yet. So, hey, 66 people in YouTube and 5 in X already. Wow, thank you. You're 40 points, so you're not worried. Oh, nice. Oh, so you're in there for a while now. Hey, nice. What level and data feed do you use for your book map? I just got the global, so I didn't bother with global plus because I don't use. They have a whole bunch of different indicators. You can get like iceberg orders and this indicator and that indicator. I just want to see where the orders are, right? So I just went with the basic global package, and then I did the bundle because the bundle is the best bang for your buck, right? You get your NQ, ES, YM, all the commodities. So that's kind of the way to go if you're gonna do it. Damn though, hey, that would have been a good buy down at the 45s. 45s, we would have been up 30 points already pretty much. That's why sometimes you really got to have some orders just sitting in the market nice and low below the price, because sometimes that happens, right? Rhythmic DX feed or bookmap? I went with the bookmap feed. People say TradingView order flow isn't accurate, but I'm looking at CVD on TradingView and CVD on your bookmap, and they're the same. Okay, well, the only thing is, the CVD can be affected by like how long you've had it running, right? So like if you just turn it on, and you can reset it too, so it, CVDs numbers can come out different depending on like when you start it from and whatnot. So it does show. What time is this here? I just want to see if it has historical data on or not right now. Yeah, it does. So it has okay, so this is the CVD from the start of the session at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 3816. Cool, thank you. I found it confusing. Yeah, it is a little bit weird when you get into it, right? So Kuwait says air defenses intercepted hostile missile and drone attacks. Okay, so there was some news that caused that. I didn't see nothing came up on Financial Juice. Which news platform did you get that from? And there's those 80s. Keith, did you get to stay in that trade? Or sorry, not Keith. Tim.
Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right. We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
All right, looks like 80s are imminent. So guys, I don't know whoever was, if you guys were watching the stream on Friday, but I kind of had a pretty crappy Friday session. You got wicked out, break even. Oh, sorry, Tim, that sucks. But hey, at least you protected that to break even. So it could be worse, right? So I don't know if you guys, whoever was watching the Friday session, but I was just a little bit off, you know, like I took a trade. I took 2 trades where I basically lost around $200 in 5 accounts both times. So I was down about a little over 4, maybe between 425 and 450. So I ended up having a pretty rough Friday. But later on in the day, I just kept slowly playing, taking a couple trades here and there, and I ended up chipping it away. And I was down about 1,500, maybe a little bit higher. And then I ended up finishing the day down 910 only. So I did get a good chunk of it back. So it ended up being a little bit of a better finish on the day. I did trade a little too heavy, so too many trades there, 68 trades. But I was being really aggressive on not taking a loss. So I took a bunch of like break-even trades throughout the afternoon. But I did end up recovering a big chunk of the loss. So it turned out to be not so bad, because at one point I think, you know, I had about 300 profit from the night before, and then I took, you know, 400 and something times 5. So I was like down over 1,500, maybe over 1,700. So I got about $700 back roughly. So I'm pretty happy with the finish of the day. Could have been worse, right? So hey Jay, how you doing, buddy? Good evening. I'm doing good. How are you? Beware of premature break even. Let the trade ride to a 1-to-1. Secure partial profits and break even with runners. All right, NHO. That's some good advice. You're back in now though, still looking for 85. We still have orders at 80, 54 contracts. So, and you know, we do have orders still up at 600. That didn't change. These sellers definitely got absorbed. 73 contracts at 30,551. MES is all-time high again. Yeah. NQ all-time high. MES all-time high. Nice. Breaking out. ES is breaking out a bit here. And oil's starting to go down, guys. I love how a trade will start going in my favor, then after going red, it makes and making a break even a resistance point for 30 minutes. Then just watch right back down to break even to start the sprint against me. Oh, yeah. TP hit. Nice job there, Keith. Good job, Keith Smith. MNQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by 1 tick, yeah. Oh, Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. There you go, Keith. 85 hit. All my worst days have taught me great lessons. I don't regret any of them. Do you feel you learned from your losses Friday? Yeah, just reflecting on my trades, like my mental position, I think, was incorrect early on in the session. Like when I looked at the trade, when I look back at my trade, I'm like, there was absolutely no reason for me to take that trade. Like I took a long, we were below VWAP, the New York VWAP, we were below the overnight VWAP, and I got induced on like a small green candle, which isn't normally the type of trade that I end up taking. So I did just like look at that and assess the trade and realize that I really shouldn't have been in that trade, right? So that's kind of what I took from it. And then, you know, I walked away for a bit, right? Like after the stream ended, I left the charts for a while. I ended up coming back a little bit later and just, you know, took some small base hits to kind of recover some. Big push there, hey guys. So 85 TP ripped right through it all the way up to 95. And then we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Orders like at 600. Looks like they're going to go there real quick here. It's too bad couldn't really get in there earlier, but I just can't really chase this up here. Up 80 bucks. Hey Tim, good job. Good night, buddy. Good night. Big Teflon, how many points do you shoot for per trade? I don't necessarily have a hard rule on that. I usually manage it with a stop loss. So when I start getting into profit, I will lock in a little bit of profit and then look for it to run. If we start getting an explosive candle like that, I probably would have trailed it up pretty quickly and just sort of like locked it up somewhere near the high of the candle. So I typically, for the most part, won't put a specific TP in. Sometimes I'll do, and if I am, it'll be usually a 10 or a 15 point. If I'm looking, like if the trade idea is like, oh, let's see if this is gonna like retrace 50% of the candle or something like that. But if I'm looking for breakouts, I usually trail the stop into profit, and that's kind of how I like to manage my winners. The market's parabolic. How high do you think it'll go? Your guess is as good as mine, bro. Your guess is as good as mine. Let's just scroll down here. Let's see if there's any orders past this. Maybe we're going to 31,000. I don't know. Lua Chips. Hey, Angel Hernandez. Good evening. Welcome.
Globex open. Market butcher in the building.
We live. 50 people watching. 20 likes.
Do I have a minimum? No. I take quite a few small winners, like small base hits. So usually when I get, you know, like 8 to 10 points into profit, I'll go to break even plus a couple points. And, you know, I end up taking a bunch of break evens, but then when I get a candle like that where it just runs, that's when I'll be making more of the money, right? So if you see on the right here, I have this, it's called the command pad. It's a copy trading add-on from Traders Post. And I have a bunch of break-even buttons. So as soon as I get into profit, I'll go break-even +2. And then I'll trail it up to break-even +5. And then I have a +10, +15, +20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So that's usually how I will deal with my stops or my profits. So I think this will be a grinder. It might be good to scale in. I mean, the way we're looking right now, it looks, but the only thing that I don't really love right now is I don't see a whole lot of orders above, although we are starting to thicken up here at the 660s level. As you can see there, I can see some orders coming on here up at 660, 662 area.
Only, no fuss. Don't worry. You didn't lose much on that trade.
So I ended up going and playing some pickleball this morning, guys. Oh, it was fun. I love pickleball. If you guys haven't tried it, you really should. It's really an amusing game. It's an amusing one. All right, let's see if we can get a pullback here. We got a new all-time high. Gonna have to keep moving these all-time high lines up over and over and over all day here. Scale in. Okay, 15 NQ long. Boom. There you go, buddy. Scale in 15, then go to 30, and then 45 and 60. Yeah, you like pickleball too? Nice. I've been getting better too, like with playing a bit more lately.
Going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy blew mine in one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. VWAP tie, yeah, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Gold long, let's eat. I'm short 5, Mike.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right
I
now.
play tennis also. I kind of recently have started enjoying pickleball. My neighbor has a pickleball court in his backyard. I haven't played yet, just watched. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. You know, I really like the pickleball community, Cam. So people are just so friendly, and I find that like it's a different experience when I go to the tennis courts. And you like, you know, you go sit there and you wait for like the next game or whatever. Like the people don't even want to look at you. They're just like angry that you're bothering them, kind of idea. Whereas like when you go to the pickleball court, it's like everyone's all friendly. They're all it's a little bit more like has that like community vibe to it. So I don't know if anybody else gets that experience too. But I mean, I like tennis too. It's a great game. I also like I play badminton. I love ping pong. So I love to play tennis, badminton, and ping pong. And basically pickleball is like a mix of those 3 games. So that's because pickleball is for more socializing. Yeah. I mean, it is like it's pretty cool. You just kind of like go and you hang your paddle up on this rack and then you just wait, and each game takes about like 10-15 minutes or something, and then you just like cycle through all the courts, right? So it's pretty fast to get on the courts too, which is pretty nice. But today I went and did sort of like a drop-in with a bunch of randoms, and I played, it was a 2-hour session, and I played probably like 90% of the whole 2 hours I was on courts. So it was pretty awesome. All right, we're getting this pullback here. I'm wondering if that's going to be sort of the end of the push for a while. The VWAP is so far away. Let me put on some standard deviations here so we can... oh, it is on already. There we go. So this is the standard deviation right there, right? Yeah, this is 560 is the +1 standard deviation. Deviations are getting pretty wide off of the VWAP right now. 600 might be pretty hard to get through. What about beer pong? Yeah, that's fun if you're at a party. So oil did find some support here at 89.30-ish area, 30-35 area. So that's pretty cool.
We'll take that.
Not so good for the longs.
Hey, what's up? Good evening.
GK Futures, hey, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing tonight?
6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low. Yeah. Market butcher.
Trade like an adult. Vancouver was sunny today. It was a beautiful day. Hot, sunny. I got out. I had played some pickleball, had some real estate work to take care of. Got home a little bit late. Sorry for starting the stream 30 minutes late, everybody, but happy to be here now. We got 101 people in the channel, 95 people in YouTube, 5 people in X, and thank you, everybody. Let's see how we're doing on the likes. Like I said, once we get to 75, I'll start making sure that the form is all ready to go so we can do the giveaways. We're at 50, so we got about 22 more likes, and we'll get that ready. And then once we get to 100, we will do the giveaway. What's my duper? You know what? I'm not really sure. You know, I only started playing for a year now. So today I was playing intermediate. So that was between 2.9 and 3.5. Is that what it was? Let me just double check. And I was probably one of the better players there. So I think I'm like sort of like the upper edge of intermediate. But let me just double check here real quick, make sure I'm saying the right numbers here. because I am pretty new, so I don't really have a proper duper number. But let's see here. Yeah, so I was playing with a 3.0 to 3.499. And I would say I think I can probably play in like the upper intermediate. And that's probably where I am. So maybe about a 3.5. Let's just say that. That's a nice round number. 3.5. It's like bocce ball, LOL. Only certain people play it. We only have courts here in Cali and nice neighborhood parks. Nice. You rarely play tournaments, so I just got like Costco paddles, dude. Like it's just Costco paddles. I literally got two what are they called? I can't even remember the name right now, but I got two paddles and 3 balls in a bag for like $60. And I don't know, I like them. They're awesome. They work really well for me anyway, so this might be the retracement to the 200 EMA. Might be a good entry for a long, but I don't know. Don't listen to me. Hey, I mean, you know what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about. Where's our 200 EMA? I got the 200 EMA down here at the 30,478. Where's yours at? Looks like VWAP's before that, so I'd be looking at the 500s for a reaction anyways first, right? Trading game. Hey, how you doing? Good evening. Almost missed your comment there. GK Future, smash the like, everybody. Thank you for that. Got the like? What, we're at 75 already? Something is burning me. Really? Oh shit. Oh, I gotta warm my hands up here. Whew. A little toasty. Whenever I get sweaty from a trade, I always just, dry my hands real quick with the fire. It broke below the EMA on the 5-minute chart. So the VWAP would be 518. Might as well wait. I'd like to see a drop 540, then look for another long. Yeah, I mean, let's see if the buyers definitely step in here, right, and hold this level. That could definitely be a key one. So getting interrupted by some publicity right now, you're getting big. What publicity? You mean like a commercial, you mean? Love that I used an Amazon paddle for the first 18 months. Just used it for the first time in a couple of years, and I still like it. Nice. Yeah, I mean, you don't need a crazy paddle, right? Like, it's just a wiffle ball. Like, I don't know how much difference a paddle is going to make, right? So this is JG, just go long market. I'll keep buying every dip. Yeah, force fed. It's definitely going to VWAP. I have it set on high at 518, low 495. My VWAP's a little bit different because I got the one anchored to the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. So my VWAP is at 30,507.50 right now. Oh, we got a low at 495. Yeah, so you're pretty much in the similar area. I want to see a break and retest if we're lucky, if it doesn't bounce right off. Yeah. Yeah, so first line in the sand is going to be this previous day high here, which is sort of 540 to 535 area. And then if we end up pushing below that, then I'll be looking for 500 area for a potential long. So, but I'm not just going to rush into it. So, yeah. How do you get anchored to that? So if you're using TradingView, right, on the left-hand side here, go to the forecasting and measurement tools right here. And then down here is the anchored VWAP. I usually put a little star beside it, so it's on my action bar at the top here. So you can see I got action bar, long position, short position, trend line, channel, rectangle, call out, arrow, and fixed range volume profile. And then you just hit that, and then you select whatever time you want. So sometimes I'll put an anchor on a news candle or something, just drop it on there, and then that'll be. So I just picked the start of day candle, like the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard candle, the newest first candle of the session, and that's where I'll be running that. And then I also anchor one to the New York, so 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So still haven't figured out how to use the volume profile, like to plot it or how to like use it. So typically we're gonna go from, if you were at value area high, quite often we're gonna go to value area low, and vice versa. Value area low, quite often we're gonna go to value area high. Now, if we're above value area high, and especially above previous day high, we're in price discovery, so we're really bullish, and vice versa, right? If you go below value area low and below previous day low, you're bearish. You're gonna be in price discovery to the downside. That's a basic way to do it. So there's a pretty good trade that you can watch for the New York session when it happens is when the market opens. If we haven't, like for example today, right, like we did engage the point of control, so it doesn't technically, this today doesn't work, but say that we started the session up here at 30,460. Say we gapped up and we haven't touched the point of control. Anytime when we haven't touched the point of control, there's an 80% chance on the New York session that it's going to go to that point of control. So what you can do is if this was going to be the new 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard or 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle, and we end up looking bearish, you could take a short inside the previous day high and target the point of control. So that's a pretty basic trade, but quite often it works often, right? Like there's like 80% chance if we haven't engaged the point of control that in the next trading session at some point we will engage it. I think those odds are a little bit less lately because we're in such a bullish market, and when we're making all-time highs, those rules don't necessarily apply because we're just constantly making new all-time highs, right? So it'll be maybe that 80% is not as accurate right now. But that's a basic way to trade it, is if we haven't engaged a point of control, there's an 80% chance in most cases that we're going to engage it in the next trading session. And then how I set mine is you hit your 30-minute chart, right? And then you turn on your session volume profile indicator, and this will bring up the and I use it from the previous day's session, so that would be here from the 6:30 or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle all the way till the close of the market on this would be Friday's session. And then as you can see here, this is 70% of all the price action of the day. The point of control is going to be the most active level. So as you can see, there was the most contracts traded at this level, 30,398. And then you have the value area high at 432 and the value area low at 324. So those are just key levels, basic levels that you can plot on your chart for the next trading day's session. Let me just get the song changed here. Chickens, not chickens. Oh, watermelon's so good. So let's just go back here for a sec. Let's see if we can find a good example here, because I think on Thursday or something we had a really good point of control retracement. Yeah, so here's a good one. Okay, so right here, this was what Tuesday's price action, right? So we had the point of control right there from the end of the session closed right here, right? Had the point of control. The next day we opened up super bullish. We popped all the way up here, and then look at that. After we started getting bearish, where did we go? All the way back to the point of control. So this happens over and over and over. Quite often you're going to get a retracement back to the point of control, and the point of control is the level where the most contracts were traded. So there's a lot of interest at that level, and quite often price will go back to that level because of that reason. So just kind of a basic way to look at it. And then like for example, we had it here, right? But the session did engage it right away. So you could have even traded this short right away after. No, it wouldn't even work really this day. So we got engaged there too early. So this isn't a good example of that day. Let's see here though. This one also engaged right away. So it depends, right? If you haven't engaged a point of control, it's not really you can't really go by that strategy anyways. So if we haven't engaged it in the overnight session and we get to the New York session, there's like an 80% chance we're going to go to it. So my ID starts with Captain. Hit the like. Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate it. Hey, Dave, can you check your Discord giveaway channel? I tagged you as well. Giveaway. We're processing your trading account. Once your trading account is activated, you'll get an email with instructions to set up. Lucid Flex 25K. Subtotal, discount total, product ID. Use code Butcher. Hey, thanks for that. So what's your question? Thank you for that though. I appreciate you using my discount code. Thank you so much for that. Or did you have a question, or are you just showing me? Thank you for the support. I appreciate you. Keith, did you end up getting in the discount or into the giveaway there? So if you just scroll up to the top of that channel, the giveaway entry, and it's a pinned comment at the very top. There's a little Google Docs form you gotta fill out if you want to get in on there. So thanks, GK. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. Keeping the dream alive. Kyle Shiles, what up, home slice? Nice. I like that saying, home slice. I was like, what is home slice? And it's basically like homie or brother or whatever, right? So you bought another account on Lucid with your code? Oh, thanks, Skeletor. Appreciate that. Appreciate all the support from all you guys. Thank you so much. I should check my email. I wonder if Take Profit Trader is going to finally approve me to be with them also. They probably won't answer till next week, though. Yeah, they haven't got back to me yet. Okay. It's all good. Let me know. I'm looking for another eval to add. So are you always trading the POC and value area high? Yeah, I just find, those are pretty reliable levels to watch, right? So, if we're bullish, I'll be paying attention to those levels if we're heading to them, right? And if we're finding support sort of at like the previous day low or the value area low, and we haven't engaged a point of control, there's a good chance we're going to head there. So yeah, it's just a basic, easy like way to like have some key levels on your chart, right? So depending on your bias, you can look to those levels for targets, right? Let me know. I'm looking for another eval to add. Hey, 113 people watching, 108 in YouTube and 5 in X. Thank you, everybody. We got 7 people in the vertical stream. If you are in the vertical stream, feel free to join us in the full size stream. Just hit the pinned comment. That should bring you over to to the full size stream if you want to hang out. We are doing a 25K Lucid eval giveaway today. And if you do come over to the full size stream, we have a pinned comment over there that connects to the Discord. Head over to the Discord, head into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. There's a pinned comment there with a little form you fill out. Once you fill that form out, you will be entered into today's Sunday giveaway and all the future ones until we end up changing that. But for now, we got about 3, at least tonight, and 3 more Sunday giveaways planned. So do you reset your volume pro? Yeah, so every time the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle comes, so like the start of day session, I'll update from the previous session. Kyle, working hard for the stream here, bud. Hit the like, please. Thank you. Manners matter. Yeah, of course, right? I think we got to be pretty close to 75 already. We're already at 65, 68. So 7 more likes, and then I'll start getting that form ready anyways, because it does take me about 10 minutes or so. So do you need to delete and reapply the volume profile to reset it? Well, I usually just use the same 3 lines or 4. Well, I use 5 lines because I'll update the previous day high, value area high, point of control, value area low, and previous day low. And so, like I said, go to your 30-minute profile, hit that, turn it on, and then just adjust your levels. Like just move these lines around to line up with the previous day's levels, right? Dave, will you be in the stream tomorrow morning with Nick? Yes, I will, of course. Every Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with the Mustang Trader. Gotta love Nick, man. This guy's a maniac. The way he makes money, he gives me FOMO when I make I make like a $200 winner, and he's like, "Yeah, I made 20 grand." It's like, yeah, screw you, Nick. Screw you. You're giving me FOMO. Yeah, so Big Teflon, just set your levels right, and then adjust them every day when the new session starts. Just move them around. And it's important to go to the 30-minute time frame, because sometimes it does adjust the levels a little bit off if you're not on the 30-minute time frame. Like if you're on the 1 minute, let's see if it does it right now. But if you go to the 1 minute, yeah, see, look at this. See, this is the point of control on the 1 minute chart at 413, and on the 30-minute chart it's at 400. So it does make a little bit of a change on some of the levels. So it's important that's why I always go with the 30-minute. And I learned this from Zach Garbucci, who learned it from another really well-known trader. I don't know the name of the person, but somebody who wrote books and all this stuff. So the 30-minute seems to be like the time frame to set your levels off of. I learned a lot. Yeah, we all learn a lot from Nick. He's a great trader for sure. For sure. Oh, nasty NASDAQ incoming, everybody. You ready for it?
Charts up. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive.
How do I set levels on anchored volume profile? They just seem to be default for me. Because anchored volume. So you're talking about the fixed range volume profile? The one that you, like this one where you like click it and you drag it onto your screen? Is that what you're talking about? So the indicator that I use is called session volume profile. So if you go into the indicator section and search for SVP, session volume profile, that's the one that I like to use. It'll be on your, your little menu. Just show it so it's visible. And yeah, the one on my left on my screen. Yeah, so that's a fixed range volume profile, or not fixed range. Oh, you mean like this guy right here? These yellow and blues? Because that's called fixed range volume profile. So session volume profile is a little bit different, right? So get the session volume profile and the 30-minute time frame, and then turn it on, and then you can see those levels more clear. Let me link you. I can link you a video too from my YouTube channel. So I have a that is not a fixed ranged. This one here is this is a visible range volume profile. Yeah, this is a visible range volume profile. This, are you talking about these blue and yellow lines right here?
Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke, every say Asia, hard to trust, one micro feels too much, real trader stuff, Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays.
So if you go to this one, that is my trading view setup, and it goes over how to set up your volume profile, and also how to click on it and it'll say this one, visible range volume profile, anchored volume profile. Anchored volume profile. Yeah, I don't use that one. I don't use that one. You could use it. You just have to start it at the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle, and then I don't know where that ends. But that's not the one I use. So the one that I use is you go into your indicator tab, right? So open your indicators here, right? And then search for SVP, session volume profile, open that guy up, right? And then it'll plot it like that on your screen. If you want, what am I doing here?
Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows, market but your gang, just stick to the flows.
Double click on that. So when you go to your inputs here, it'll say 70%. Use sessions is all, and then style. When you come down to here, visibility, no.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil.
Why isn't it showing? Oh, it's so normally it'll start with point of control. You got to click on value area high and value area low, so you have all 3 levels set there. But I don't want that one on here, so let's delete this guy.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell.
NQ is dirty. Almost 1,400 subs. Thank you. Yeah, 1.38K. 1,380. We're on our way to the 1.5 mark. Wow. 1,389 subscribers. Thanks for all the support, guys. I appreciate you so much. So much. Keeping the dream alive. Maybe one day I can just be a full-time YouTuber. I'd love that. That's like the dream. The dream. Hey, look at that. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people joined the Discord tonight, guys. Thank you. Yeah, head into the giveaway channel, giveaway entry channel there. There's a pinned comment at the top of the section there. Scroll up to the top, fill out that form, and you'll be entered. If you've done it before, you don't have to do it again. But what, bro? Just beat Resident Evil Requiem? No way. Crazy. That's probably really hard, is it not? Adam Daz. Hey, Adam Daz in the house. Like the stream, or Marky the market maker will hunt your stop losses and blow up your evals. Oh my god. All weekend. Oh yeah, it took that was a bit of a long session for you, eh?
Only one trade at a time. Yeah.
dust on the sneakers. 8 people in the vertical stream. Hey, you guys, if you're in the vertical stream, come join us in the full size stream. Hit the pinned comment there in the comment section. That'll bring you over. And if you haven't already, you'll get a chance to join the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, head over to the giveaway channel, hit that, and fill out the form in the pinned comment at the top there, and you'll be entered for tonight's giveaway. And if you guys are around during the week, I run duck races throughout the week so that you can have an extra duck in the Sunday giveaway run. So keep that in mind. If you guys, thanks for supporting the stream throughout the week. Trying to give a little bit more support to the people who given me the support. So Chris Noof in the house. Hey, buddy. I see that you know Adam. Everybody knows Adam. Welcome to the channel, Chris. That was a short song, hey? Let's go with some this is the heavy metal song, guys. Might be a little it's late though, so it's not first thing in the morning. I've been training my duck not to get out of the quick start and burn out, Richard. Right? You gotta get him to start in the back and just chill out for a bit, because you know if 18 seconds comes and you're in the front of the pack, stop loss is going to be hit. $82 likes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start working on the form here. Looking like we missed. The only entry here was this back to the previous day high here. Should have been in this long, but I was hoping for a deeper pullback. We might still get it here. In fact, what level is that? 512. 512. Whoa, 197 responses. Yeah, the dogs love watermelon, don't they? Market should rip with face ripper tunes. All right, I'm gonna try to get this form updated here on. Here we go. Okay, file, download, PDF, export. Okay. Okay, I want a CSV file. Let me just get in here. This one. Okay. Sure this is the right one. 198 entries. File, download, SV, CVS, CSV file. Hi. No. Just the way that we structured it is that, you know, if you've entered, I just don't want to make everybody keep having to enter in the forms, right? If you already entered for the Sunday giveaway, you're in there. We might have to run it a couple times, but hey, it's good if they're not here for you guys. We'll just have to trade some extra, you know, or run some extra giveaways at the worst case scenario. So, which is always fun. It's always fun to see who's gonna win, right? So, I just want to have to make everybody, you know, enter multiple times. So, yes. So the people with the second entries are Rocket Fuel, Wesley, Medi, Angia, Yojim Blab, Gatos, Brick, Skeletor, Jane Bond, Zumane, Noi, and Agent 88. Those are all the people who are got the extra entries. Make an AI song called Boulevard of Broken Trend Lines. Hey, that's a good idea. We can make another. I'll make a new AI song as soon as we're done the duck race here. Hey, Ralph's drinking water right now. Sitting over there drinking his water. Okay, let's see here. Let me get caught up on the chat here. I get a second entry, right? Yes, I already said that. Skeletor, nice, thank you. Bro, did you play the Duck song already? I haven't played it yet, but we'll be playing it when we do the race. Maybe Ralph will make it into the new song. Oh, that's a good idea. Ralph emailed me and said I get 10 ducks. Hashtag Ralph. How do I enter? Chris, pinned comment there is a link to the Discord. Go into the Discord. In the Discord, there's a giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of the giveaway channel, and that's where you'll see, you know, the form. Once you fill out that form, you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaways. Your duck only has one leg, so he keeps going in circles as Sinister Scalper. If you're in the giveaway channel in the Discord, just scroll to the very top. It's a pinned comment at the very first comment at the very top. Just scroll all the way up, and you'll see a Google Docs form there. And just fill out that form, and then you'll be entered. So I am, yeah, way at the top, yeah. So I will be sending out an email to everybody in regards to the 50K Lucid Pro account that I'm gonna give away. I'm kind of gonna run a little campaign to sort of grow my Instagram and my X channel a bit. So you know, that whole, you know, like, share, tag a friend kind of idea. And I'll be sending an email out with the links and everything to you guys for that. So stay tuned for that. Probably sometime this week I'll get around to getting that done, and it'll probably be it'll be announced on Instagram and X. Whoever gets the winner of that, we'll pick it randomly through a random generator, whatever kind of idea. So yeah. All right. Trade for keeps. Hey, I'm doing great. How are you doing? Reds everyday dog training. Nice. I like that name. Anything about dogs is good. Boulevard of Broken Trend Lines. Pump up the deck. What's with the AI heavy metal? Oh yeah, I've been leaving this on a little too long, hey? It's just switching it up a bit here. Let's go back to this one here. This is like the original song here.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep. And keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up on the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ switch stops in a rip split. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase highs, but we pull.
Okay, I'm gonna get this song made here, guys. Let's I'm just gonna get the song being made anyways. There we go. Copy that. Go over to Suno, paste it into the lyrics. here, and then go back to that, get the Suno prompt. Suno prompt, style, paste, create. Can you tell it to play like Creed? Like, you know, make like a Creed song? Oh, sorry, I already made this one, but I'll have to make it in the next one. We'll have to remember to make a Creed style song. I need 200-point drop by midnight Pacific. Do you think you can summon the AI gods to get us there? Tanakata? Tankanata. Yeah, Tankanata. Yeah, I don't know, dude. We're pretty bullish. So I don't know if that's going to happen. You're thinking make it Milli Vanilli? That would be funny too. So we got a couple ideas. I'll pump that into AI right now.
We barely got sleep, and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ switching stops in a rip split. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Another 20 points done for the night. Nice, Keith. Keith's on fire, man. 40 to 60, I guess, right? So Weird Al Yankovic would be hilarious too, right? Amish trader. Price action slow right now. Yeah, it usually is at this time of the day. We are kind of in a sideways action. Usually right at the end of the stream is when we start getting a move close to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when like I guess it's the Germany markets open. So who needs AI when you have Kyle the Songbird? He'll do it for you. Dave Chappelle slow rap would be killer. Yeah, that sounds good too. I'm gonna have too many songs to make tonight. We'll do those here. We'll be doing the giveaway when we get to 100 likes. So we're currently at about 86 likes on the stream. So okay, let me just get these the songs that I just made uploaded, and then I got all those other songs in there as ideas. So over the next couple days, I'll pump those ones out so that we can have some more strong songs.
We barely got sleep, and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ sweep your stops in a rip split. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase sides when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause the Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice, mutual scalping plays. Someone so
Never partnered. FK the songs. We are here to make money. Yeah, right. Or to get giveaways. No, actually, most of the people are here just to have a good time. Never partner with Funded Next. No, you don't like Funded Next. Okay, let's see here. I got the new songs already, guys. The Boulevard. Oh, we got one more to add actually. It's it's hard to make a ton of money on these evening streams. Most of my money comes from the New York sessions, so I'm usually a little more focused on trading in that time. On these sessions, I'm hopefully here just as support for you guys, helping us stick with a good bias on the trading session, and hopefully help you guys. I'm not like trying to give you trades, but it like keep you on track for the right idea as to whether or not we should be going long or short or whatever the situation is, right? Key levels on the book map. But outside of that, we're it's also about entertaining people, having a good time, getting to know the chat, and it's I have a bit of a different style of stream than most of the traders in the trading space here. So hopefully you enjoy your time. Okay, here's the Boulevard, one of the Boulevard songs. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ sweep your stops in a rip split. You blink once when you hopefully it's not too loud. Turn it down a little bit. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Broken trend line. With charts wide open, yeah. Futures Creed. I'm here for the chicks, but so far it's just right. We got like one in 100 people is a woman in the channel. Sausage Fest, right? That should be a song too. Ralph the Frenchie. Yeah, this is a sad one, hey? Like when you have a red day at the end of the day, you're like, oh, broken trend lines. So sad. I should have played this on Friday. Not really, Martinez. I wasn't really here. I did end up taking a little scalp here from my phone, actually. Made 25 bucks when I was on my way home. And then I wussied out on it, and I should have stayed in, and look at that. It just rocketed after that, so too bad. But when I'm on my phone, I just can't really trust it. All right, are we going to get this pullback? We're going to have to watch previous day high here again if we get a pullback down here. Although this could be the point where we're going to roll over a bit deeper. Kind of like a head and shoulders there, right? If this ends up pushing back down here. $104 likes? No way, really? How did that get up there so fast? Wow, 105. You guys are awesome. Let me just double check the form and see if anybody else got in there at the last second. So we did get a couple more people in there. So let me just update the list one more time here. Shorted 565, looking for 520, a little scalp. Be careful, be careful. We're pretty bullish. I hope it works for you though.
We barely got sleep, and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean.
This one sounds very similar, like not much difference from the first one. So, Thor Trades, Chris Noof, Jason M, and Marley Trades are the add-in here. Okay. Let's get the duck race names filled out here. FVG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. You think we're gonna top at 630? Yeah, let's see if we can get through the 600s. But yeah, do you have to be here to win? Yes. Yes, you do have to be here to win. Well, if you win in your other account, then you can always just, switch accounts really quick and then say you're here. So, love a good duck race, Wesley, right? No, if you filled out the form on the Discord, you only have to fill it out one time. Trade for keeps. And yes, 100 100 likes complete. Punisher, yep, you're in there. What's up? What's up? Dave, add my name in there twice for old time's sake. I like it. I like it. Great job, chat. 105 likes. You guys are awesome. If you have not liked it, smash the like button. Thanks, Brick. NQ dirty, ES clean. 113 likes. Oh my lord. We got 113 people watching and 113 likes. Wow. That's 100% hit rate, guys. 100% hit rate. Yes, you have to be here to win. Are you able to put these songs on Spotify? That's a good question. I don't know. Maybe. I don't see why not. But they are all in the Discord if you guys want to download any of them. So when are you running the race? Pretty soon here. Let's say in about 5 minutes or so. Loyalty? Oh, that was weird. Did I just lose an account, guys? What the heck happened there? I just heard a weird like noise, like a ding noise. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. You know that donk noise when you lose your account in Tradeovate? It like goes donk. What the heck? I gotta scan through all my accounts here, double check. Yeah, that's all good. Top one futures. That one's good. E8. That one's good. That was weird. I don't know what that was. That one's 25 bucks. That one's 25 bucks. That one's flat. 22, 23, 22, flat, flat, flat. That was weird, guys. That was scary. Maybe you can also monetize the songs, especially if the rest of the trading community knows about them. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea. I thought about trying to like make an album out of it and then see like, you know, sell it for like 99 cents or something, you know, something super cheap, but just sort of like get a little like support, little way to get a little extra support. What if it was in a song? What's that? Did you start trading those accounts yet? I hope you're having a good time with it. I saw you saying today that made a lot of sense. Risk is less painful than regret. I wonder if it was in the song. That sound, yeah. Do it, bro. Just $1 for some badass jams. Nice. Glad you like them. Glad you like them. Okay, let's get this duck race going here, guys. In 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We'll do it at 45 after, because I know once we do the duck race, everyone's gonna leave. So I don't want you guys to leave yet. You know, I don't want to be here all alone. I want to be here all alone. We're hitting the like targets too early. I'm gonna have to shoot for a bigger like target in the future. On Sundays, maybe. Maybe it's just a Tradeovate notification news or data renewal. It could have been that too, yeah. Oh, there was one. What is this? Yeah, your market data subscription renewed for applicable entries. That could have been what it is. Could have been what it is. Abandonment issues are real, bro. Right? Don't leave me. Don't leave me. I already have enough mom issues. I don't need you guys all leaving me now, too. 1 a.m. You got to go to bed? Yeah. No, it's all good. We'll do it here in 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes here. A minute and a half. And we're pumping up here. Jesus. We didn't even get the pullback to the previous day high there again. We did dip into this bullish fair value gap at 550. Okay, let's get this. Let's go in here. So I think we need to go. How long is this? How long is this duck race song? Let me see. Stop loss is 203. 203. Okay, let me just get rid of this banner real quick. And then we got the duck race song ready to go. Are you guys excited for the duck race song or what? All right, let's shuffle this out. There's a lot of people on here. We might have to run this a couple times. We'll do a 2-minute races here. Sorry if it's kind of messing you guys up in the middle of a bullish move on the charts. But let's shuffle these guys a couple times. Make sure it's random. Give it 3 shuffles there. All right. Good luck, everybody.
Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin. Still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Now 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low. Mustang and Butcher running the show. Base hit stack. Why do we traders blow? Gold heavy and oil slippery. MNQ dirty, but she good to me. Funded account, living comfortably. Trade like adults and let the profits breathe. Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience,
Yeah.
and discipline. See you at Globex.
Savage Princess enters late.
Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. DWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map.
Oh, Keith Matthews. Sorry, bud. Trades by Shads. Sorry, bro. The Loyalist. Damn. G's Future Trader. Damn. Leslie NQ. Tuculus. Oh, who's this? Miss K911 coming up in the back here. Oh, rejected. Bro, 3313. Avi. Who's that? Noi? Oh my God. Who's coming up here? Keith Matthew. Keith Matthew. Bro. What, did you come second, Jason? Oh, you came fourth, Jason. So close, man. Keith Matthew, Gage Brown, bro, Jason, Titan Investor, Loyalist, Kyodongo, Volatile Viper, Vikram, Miss K911, Timbo. Is Keith Matthew still here? Keith Matthew, you still here? There he is. I was just gonna say the duck race algo hates me. Not today, buddy. Not today. Congrats. Well, hey, I was hoping we were gonna do more than one race, but it looks like we're just doing one race today, guys. Super rigged, right? Don't say that. I couldn't even see your name. I mean, there's 200 people, so you're not gonna see your name, unfortunately. But you know what we'll do, guys? Since it ended so fast, let's do 3 more races. And if you win today, you'll get an extra entry for next Sunday's giveaway. How about that? So we can at least have some more fun tonight. So good luck for some extra entries for next week, guys. Not me entering late. We got a second version of the duck race here too, so okay, here we go. Good luck. This is for an extra entry into the Sunday giveaways. Good luck to the winner. And then Keith Matthew, say something in the Discord in the general chat, and then I'll send you a message there. Put a comment into the general channel. I will reach out to you. Yeah, it gets more crowded every week. That's why we're trying to give some extra giveaways here. So play the song you uploaded in the chat. I'll do it after we finish these duck races here for sure. Oh, there's Keith Matthew. Okay, gotcha. I'm just waiting on a clean if GNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. One base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. So I send you a message there, Keith. Just respond to my direct message there. Well, if the people aren't here to say that they won, they won't win, so don't worry. Okay, so Keith, what you got to do is go to who's gonna win here? B-Flu, are you in the house? So Keith, yeah, go to I gotta turn this down a bit. I can't think. Go to the Lucid, right? Select a 25K Lucid Flex eval, and then when you get to the checkout, you got to select the discount, and then you're gonna put the code in there that I'm about to link to you in the chat there, or not in the chat, but in our private message here. And then after you're done that, please just take a little screenshot or let me know when it's worked for you, just so we make sure it works for you there. So I just sent you the code there, so that's the discount code. It should bring the price down to $0. $0. But yeah, just let me know when you get that done, please, and thank you. B-Flu, are you here? I don't know that B-Flu's here tonight, guys. So we might just be running it back. We'll give you 30 seconds here, B-Flu. Hey, you're welcome, Keith. B-Flu, not here, I think. Let me check in the chat. At EFL. Nope, not here. All right, B-Flu. Sorry, buddy. Next one. Race again. So I took B-Flu's name out for this race. Let's start the duck race song over again here.
Another Sunday. Another Globex.
My name appear on the game duck?
1,000 traders looking for the
Yeah, it'll be in there. It's just when there's 200 people, a lot of you guys aren't gonna get. You won't be able to see it, right? So we're gonna wait. We're gonna keep going until we get 3 winners to get the extra entry for the next Sunday giveaway, right? And you actually carry it forward too. So if you win, boost, right? Pink duck, G futures trader there with the clown duck. Accelerate. Let's go. Facile in the house. How you doing? Looks like we're flagging out here on NQ. Right at the 80 level. Oh, Jason, you're first? Yeah, that's no good. Paktoon Trades. Gonna hit the stop loss. Elite Weapon. Devraj Malik. Your duck's been training all week? Savage Princess is manifesting first place, trying to get an extra entry for the next Sunday giveaway and the other Sundays. Man, I tripped 2 in a row. Please, Lord, if you're listening, I promise to be good. All right, 18 seconds. Stop losses hit there on the front of the pack. G futures trader, somehow you're still holding up. Jatin Salvi. Oh, who's this? No Life 3760. Oh, damn. Rejected. Who's this? LWM SGM. LWM SGM. LWM SGM, you here? Oh, I don't think you're here. I don't think you're here. This is gonna take a while to get three winners here. Give me 30 seconds. Martina is so close, yeah. Okay, let's do race again here. I don't think he's here. Halftime, yeah. Let's go. Oh shoot. Hold on one sec though. I didn't remove the name LW something.
Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday.
Oh, maybe it did. Maybe it did remove it. Yeah, I did remove it. Okay. All right. Set. Shuffle, shuffle. And let's go. We're off. Save your time if you do a form per stream. This one is mine for real. You should play rigged. Yeah, let me download that right now. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post the motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. It's being really slow on the download for some reason. There we go. All right. Who's gonna win here? Heavy D. Heavy D barbecue. You here, buddy? You here, buddy? Let's get rigged in there. Let's get rigged in here. So we'll play rigged. Downloads. Heavy D, you here? Not here. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? No, not here. Okay. Remove from the race. Race again, and then I'll go back and we'll do this. Well, let's set it to 20 seconds. Okay, here's rigged. I haven't heard this yet, so. Okay, we'll do if we can't get any winners here quick, we'll switch it to the top chats or something. Good luck. We're off. Good luck, good luck. Titan investor. The Titan investor.
Patience and discipline. See you at Globex.
Doesn't look like the Titan investors here either. But if I do top chats, it only does 50 people. So this is a problem, guys. So let's just go back again. Here, let's go again.
Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret.
Quick races here. Quick races. You got to be real quick to answer. We're going to just do quick races here. NG Gaming. NGG Gaming. You going to win? ICD ATC TC. ICD. ICD. I'm just waiting on a clean MNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. Doesn't look like it. Not here. Good luck, good luck. Bro, you put weights on your duck? Yeah. Sorry. All right, top chats it is. Deep Vajhasaya. At J. Nada. Negative. Okay, we'll try a couple more. If it doesn't work, guys, we'll just take top 50 chats here because it's gonna take forever. We got 200 people in the giveaway and nobody's here. So, who shot my duck? Sorry, Timbo. Code's not working. What do you really? Oh, it's got to be a Lucid Flex, not a Pro. You got to pick the Flex, not the Pro. It's not a Pro account. It's a Flex account. Hero Crypto. Okay. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Here we go. Come on, give it to somebody that's here, please. Please, 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 please. Rocket Fuel. Facile Crypto, you gonna win, bro? Go, Facile Crypto. I think Facile's here, man. He was earlier.
No magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Facile, did you leave?
Mustang trader, market butcher.
I think Facile left, man. No way. He was here like not that long ago. Fasil, why did you leave? Why did you leave, Fasil? How do I join? Kevin, we already did the Sunday giveaway, but if you hit the pin comment there, you're in the vertical stream. Hit the pin comment, come over to the full size stream. In the full size stream, there's a link to the Discord that's pinned. Go into the Discord, join the Discord, head over to the giveaway channel. In the giveaway channel, there's a form that you got to fill out, and you'll be entered for the next Sunday giveaway. Okay, after this one, we're gonna. Oh, Fasil, you're here. Nice. Okay, we got Fasil. We're gonna keep going though, guys. We're gonna do a couple more. So we're looking for 2 more extra duck giveaways here. Yeah, I already put you in there. You'll have an extra duck on the next Sunday race. You're welcome. Who kidnapped my duck, Jason? 765. Who's this? Zumane? Zumane's gonna win another one? Are you here tonight, Zumane? I don't think Zumane is here. I haven't seen him in the chat yet. Zumane. Zoo, you hear Zoo. Hey, Zoo. Mr. Zoo. Congrats, Keith. Congrats. Zoo. Zoo, no Zoo? Yeah, Zoo, no Zoo? Okay, race again. Andrew Tate. I'm new here. How do I get into the race? So Lee, we already did the giveaway for tonight. So if you want to hit the pinned comment section there, and that'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel and fill out the form in the giveaway. Yes, you're in the right place, Kevin. So now just hit the pinned comment there in the comment section. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you get into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel and fill out the form. It's a pinned comment at the very top of the Discord giveaway channel. And once you fill that out, you'll be entered in for the next Sunday giveaway. Kier. Congrats, Kier. Are you here, Kier? I don't think Kier's here either. I haven't seen him.
Market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the.
All right, I don't think Kier's here. Let's go. Let's keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. You're welcome, Lee. Good luck. Get in there. 8, 7, 6. Tim Core. Tim went to bed, man. Tim went to bed. One base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery. Okay, let's go. I know. Well, like I said, there's so many ducks. I see Jane Bond there. My duck ate worms and is full. Give it to number 2. Sleep is for the weak. Tell me. Chris! I don't know if Chris is here either. Okay. Chris? CD Zen, Miss K? Who's here? Are any 3 of you guys here? CD Zen, Miss K still here? Your duck's bloated. I've seen your duck, Angia. Where are you here? Let's see. Did you make the list? Is Miss K or CD Zen here? Chris, Miss K, or CD Zen? I think we got to start using top 3 here, then we'll get through this. We got to find two more extra entries here. You're Chris too, Jason? Okay, yeah, sure. Your name's Chris Jolly. Does that count? No, unfortunately, it's got to be just Chris. I know who it is. So 3 entries and still not winning the giveaway. Oh, you missed the actual giveaway, Angia. We did that earlier. So we're doing some extra races just for extra entries right now. So our ducks are all stoned. CD Zen, Miss K, are either you guys here? Chris? We should start doing roll call. Okay, let's do one more, and then we'll do again. We'll just ask for the top 3. If you're in the top 3, you'll get a. We got to find 2 more extra duck entries for next Sunday. So.
Another Sunday. Another Globex.
End game, you're here. NG game. Good luck here. Tony L. Tony L. Our East Indian brother that I don't know how to say his name. Tony L. Our East Indian brother doesn't know how to say his name. Or Gadgets, are you guys here? Stop swimming, ducky. Gadgets, Tony L, or number 2, which I can't say your name. Okay, so since we're having trouble finish this off, we need to find 2 more people. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take top chats now. I'm gonna take top chats now, guys. Your pick is blocking half of the scoreboard? Oh well, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna take top chats, guys. We'll do it off of there. We got to get 2 more giveaways here. 2 more winners here. Names. Edit list. Delete.
No nonsense, just levels. Execution. Mustang. Calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid.
I like this song.
Slow consistency is what it's about.
Okay, good luck, top chats, everybody. Good luck, top chats. Oh, weird. There's too many people in here. Like every line was a person. Okay, we're gonna have to hold on a second here. I gotta clear this. 1 sec here. This is all messed up. Damn, that means I gotta go through and edit all these names like this. That's annoying. Give me a sec here.
Mustang trader, no crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex. Yeah. Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? Mustang got the levels on the map. What you got then?
Oh, this is annoying, but we gotta do it,
Everybody gangsta
or else I don't know how to do it.
down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean FEG and Q dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. 1 base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts
Getting there.
ego mistakes. Bone a candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery.
Rigged.
Explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. STF. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STF. Mustang got the levels on the map. STF. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STF. Everybody gangster till they draw down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on
Okay,
value areas in a plan that's clean.
what did I miss here?
Institutions choose value
Rigged.
value area low. Market tells a story if you already
I can't see my name.
traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Civil
Did you fill out the form, Andrew?
stays, every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels. VY execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid, Evo, top 1 account. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody
Yeah, I should have just done it like that, Richard. Hey,
Globex open, volume thin.
this is brutal. Sorry, guys.
All that we need, now 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low. Mustang and Butcher running the show. Base hit stack, why do we traders blow? Gold heavy and oil slippery.
You won top chat? Nice, Jason. Good job. Okay, let's go. So we got to get 2 more for the extra dog races here. So sorry, guys. Run it.
Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Good luck, old red. Tanakata here. Sinister Scalper. Force Fed.
Mustang trader.
Timbo. Trading Game.
Market butcher.
Adam Daz. Look at Adam Daz is pushing up here. Is Adam Daz going to win?
Another good
Adam Daz. Look at this. Oh.
STFU.
Adam Daz, congratulations. Okay, so we got to do one more.
STFU.
Let me add Adam Daz here to the list.
What you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they draw down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room.
Don't worry, guys. In the next week or so, we'll start a whole new list, and then because a lot of these people that aren't showing up, we got to kind of like weed them out, right? So we'll start a new list, maybe starting next. Let's start it this week. After this, Monday, we'll start a new list. So Tris 04681, are you here still? Swim Timbo. Yeah, guys, so let's do that. Starting Monday next week, I'm going to change the form. We'll make a new one, and then we'll kind of like weed out some of these people who did lots of entries and aren't showing up on the stream, right? So, yeah. So we'll reset the list, and then we'll start a whole new list on Discord. So just keep that in mind. If you are here, heads up, check into the Discord, sometime during the week, or at least in one of the evening streams, or in the Sunday giveaway. We're gonna start a new form, so you guys heard it here. Tris, are you still here, buddy? I don't think Tris is here. What was the other people? Cam Fluent and GLaDOS came top 3. TRIS. There you go, Tris. Okay, Tris is here. Nice, congratulations.
Executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid, Evo, top one account. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin. Still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Now 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown.
All right. Well, I think that was the last one. So we got 3 extra entries. So Facile, Adam Daz, and Tris will all have an extra duck for the next giveaway. So guys, we're gonna reset the list. So you're gonna have to go back into the Discord sometime this week or in one of the streams, whatever, before next Sunday. Just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna update the list for tomorrow. So you're gonna have to go in, refill out that form. And then anyone who's an extra winner, I'll just add that also. We'll continue the extra winners onto the form, guys. Just so that you know that we're not going to lose your extra entries. Just keep that in mind. But we are going to restart the Discord giveaway form so that we can like get rid of some of these people who just aren't showing up, right? So we should probably reset it every, once in a while. So we are up to like 200 people. Let's weed that back down. Anyone who's not showing up, we'll have to re-enter. So keep that in mind. You'll have to re-enter again soon. So very good. Very good. All right. Congratulations to the winners. So don't worry, if you guys did win those extra aces, I will make sure that they stay in on the extra for the giveaways on the extra on the week there. Pew pew pew. Hey Czar, how you doing? Czar's in the house. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. Why you talking about? Okay, so let's see here. Top 1 futures discount code. Best discount at the time using code Butcher. QR code in the top of the chart there. If you guys are looking though, Top 1 futures, I think they have. Did they release a new one? Did they release a new one? Look at this. Elite access starting at $39. 50% off for a limited time on the instant funded accounts. So definitely check those guys out, guys. Top 1 futures. If you want to skip the eval, get into a funded account straight away, use code Butcher, BUTCHER. Most popular one, 50K. You can get 50% off right now. Regular $679 for a 50K, on for $340. Skip the eval, get straight to funded. Get a payout in a minimum of 5 days. You got a 20% consistency score. So if you hit your max profit of $600, 5 days, you'll be qualified for a payout. And they have a nice payout structure, $12.50 daily loss limit and $2,000 trailing loss limit there. Max loss, guys. Also, Lucid, if you're looking for those guys, awesome. Obviously, everybody knows Lucid. 50% off right now on 2 accounts if you use a code Butcher, Lucid Flex, and they're also on the direct right now, which is pretty cool because they don't normally give a discount on their direct accounts. You can get 50% off on those ones also. And then not only that, but I am affiliated recently now with E8 Markets. So if you're looking for another firm to trade, head over to E8 Markets. You got the futures tab here, E8 signature. You can get $30 off with code Butcher, $120, no activation fee. You can pass in little as 1 day, which is amazing. The standard 3,000 drawdown or 3,000 profit target with the 2,000 max drawdown. There you go, 20% off with code Butcher. That's there's my shameless plugs of the day. Hey, did I mention that song is from another stream if you didn't notice? Oh, is it? I didn't notice. What stream is it from? Prop for a match or something? Yes, Brad in the music field already, so he knows how to create amazing songs, to be honest. What channel is it from? Red's Everyday Dog Trading. Oh, Rocket Scooter. Okay. Well, I shouldn't really be playing Rocket Scooter's songs. Hey, he might slap me with a copyright. And that's what you're talking about, the rigged one. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area. Brad is rigged. Oh, gotcha. It's AI. Interesting. Link, how do I join? Link plus Discord. Yes. Well, 10:24 here. We'll stick around for another 6 minutes or so. Look at this, guys, though. This is kind of a bit of a flag action happening here. Got a flag pattern playing out here. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need, not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area. It's not copyrighted, it's a Discord member AI creation. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. No worries. No, Brad already shared the list. I can send it to you, but I'm not sure if they will be okay with using the stream. Yeah, I know. I removed it from the list. I played it once there for you guys, so on a request. I'm not gonna play somebody else's music though. But yeah, I mean, it's a good song for sure. I like it. Nice job. All right, here we are breaking down a little bit out of this flag here. Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the sea. Dave, are you able to say that website you used to create these songs? Yeah, it's Suno. The chart already told you. Why you talking back? It's this one right here, SUNO. Oh, what? Something went wrong? Suno AI music. You got to pay a subscription. I'm just waiting on a clean MNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. One base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from Suno. Straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie before. Yeah, it's totally fun. Yeah, and I have posted all of the songs pretty much in the Discord. A bunch of duplicates in there, so you got to weed through them a bit. But there's a big list. And lots of other people are also posting in the Discord the AI songs here. Let's see AI songs here. As you can see, these are all the songs that I made and that I posted here. Lots of duplicates though, so just be aware, because whenever you go to pump out a song, it'll spits out 2. Hey, thanks for that. we try to keep it trading related, you know. I think I've been neglecting the other channel though. It's been playing STFU, the song, forever now. Let's switch that song here. Let's go with Nasty Naz. This is one of my favorites. Dirty, dirty.
Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid dead bow. Whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11.
NQ Melton Dirty. No, Mustang doesn't make songs. But a lot of the content in the songs are things that he says. Like he says, oil is slippery, gold is heavy, natural gas is explosive. So, hey guys, I just took a look. Thank you. We hit another milestone, 1,400 subscribers on the channel. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate the support. We've got 410 subscribers in the last 28 days. So thank you so much for that, guys. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the support. It's amazing. Thank you, guys. Hero Crypto, you missed a extra duck winner giveaway. You won. If you were here, you would have won an extra duck for the giveaway for next Sunday's giveaway. So let's you know what, guys, I'm gonna put a new form in the Discord right now. So let's start a new form here. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy ATH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. So if you guys are still here, I'll let you know in a minute here, but you're gonna have to go back into the Discord. We're gonna start a brand new giveaway form for next Sunday's giveaway. If you did win an extra duck race, don't worry, I'll save it and we'll add it to the giveaway. So don't worry about that. But form, not from, form. And the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market butcher gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market butcher crew. Base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults, protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, okay, name, email, YouTube name. If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a Boner Campbell. Country. Charts up, coffee hot, Boner candles loaded, Yeah, so I'm gonna post a new form in the Discord, and we're gonna restart that form just because we had way too many people in the giveaway form that aren't showing up for the stream. So we'll reset it here. We'll probably do it every 4 weeks or so. We'll reset it so that we can just, you know, keep everybody that's current in the form.
Yelling double top, maybe next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not while the breakout fly.
Okay, let's see here. I just wanted to double check this giveaway form. Make sure I have the form the same layout as the previous time. Bounce there off of that bullish fair value gap again. So name, email, Discord username. That's what it was. Don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market put your gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. I like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L.Paul stream joke. Going crazy, don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good trikes D, well managed. Imagine that, lone wolf blue say oil, dumping fast. Meanwhile Chris Spy at TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. Dirty, 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 dirty. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. I love it. Base hit, no revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market NY, Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FEG, don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlist, where's it from? Kyle ask what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. NQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows, sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine, another one shows, market but your gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive, if you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market but your crew, base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults, protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. NQ is dirty. If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and candle. Okay, I'm almost done here, guys. They're gonna get that new form posted here real quick.
Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market but you gang, keep the dream alive.
Okay, publish, copy link, and then I go post this I'm gonna just change the link there in the Discord. So edit this form.
The Lucid Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pat Van calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today.
All right, guys. So if you have a minute right now, feel free to hop over to the Discord and just get it over with. Fill out that Sunday giveaway form. It's a fresh one, so that we can keep the amount of people that are in that, down to a normal amount. So if you have a moment, head over to the Discord and fill out that form again. Sorry for that, but we don't want to every Sunday have to do like 50 duck races just to find one winner, right? So I'll try to reset that form like basically once a month or so, every 4 weeks or so. It's in there right now, Sinister Scalper. Hey, Jonathan Stonks, how you doing, buddy? Good evening. Dave, check DM when you got time. All right. Here's the link for the Suno playlist. Anyone can get it. It's in the Rockets. Oh, but you don't know if it's... Yeah. Thanks for sharing that, Adam. I'll take a look at that. Dirty. Maybe. You don't think the just scroll? So go to the giveaway channel and then scroll to the top. The pinned comment there should be the form you need to get to. So I just, yeah, it's there. Yeah, just scroll to the very top. It's a pinned comment in the very top of the form there on the pinned comment section on the very top of the channel. This is one of my favorite songs. This NQ is Dirty song. So good. Let's switch it up though here. What's
Yeah. Everybody got a system.
You've already responded. Thanks for submitting your contract. Did you do it already? It says I've already responded. Huh.
They sell dreams and them candles control. Smart money to stack, but who really knows?
It won't let you fill it out again? Huh, let me see.
I just stack bass hits. Let the truth unfold. Yeah. V-WAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see no fair.
It's still the old one. Huh. Okay. I don't know why that's happening. Let me see if I can So let me put this one in here. Just can somebody follow that link right there and let me know if this is also giving you that same situation there.
One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped.
This one's a brand new one. Okay, so this one, okay, I'm gonna I'll post that one now. I just updated it, so let me just make sure that this is updated then. I just deleted it, and then I'm gonna edit the message. I'm gonna add it back in. So
Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts.
yeah, there we go. That should be updated now. Sorry about that. Same response. It says I have responded already. Really? So the link that was in the chat there, it says you already responded, Smart Risk.
No shortcuts. No magic formula.
That one worked. All right. So I did update the channel, the Discord one. So it should work from the Discord now too, because I re-updated this latest form. So the link in the chat works fine for me. Just filled it out. Perfect. Okay. Nice. All right. Yeah. So that should be all good now. You have to go lower in the pinned for the New York.
Everybody got a story. But the market.
Yeah, so what I did is in the pinned comment in the Discord, I just deleted it and saved it, and then I added the new one. I don't know what happened, if it just kind of like redid the same one or something, but it should be good now. When I click the link on the Discord, it looks like it's a new form. So yeah, it says code butcher for Lucid Trading, top 1 futures E8 market. So that should be the new form now in the Discord. Sorry about that. We got it figured out though. Sinister Scalpers in the voice chat for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. There you go. Nice. Yeah, we got 9 entries now, so some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this I keep it tight.
This ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model. Sinister Scalper, you're in the voice channel in the Discord, just if you didn't know. Not that it matters, but just a FYI. Oh, and we popped all the way up there to the top of the channel. How much longer are we going to play in here before we pop out and make a new all-time high? That's the question. That is the question. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts. Why does it say 1.39K now? Did I lose a subscriber there? Yeah, we lost a subscriber somehow, guys. I don't know what I said or what I did wrong, but somebody left us. We had 1.4K and now we have 1.399. So sad. No. Nice. How the F did I do that? I don't know. You probably just clicked it. You probably just clicked it. Because it looks like it's a general channel. So if you clicked it, like you might have thought it was a general channel. Nice. Nice, Facile. All right. You guys got a head start on that. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Hey, 4 people in the vertical stream. How is it looking over there, looking at the book map? Are we breaking out right now, guys? Looks like we're breaking out here. Trying to anyways. I'm just stacking little base hits. No chase highs with jump. Hey, thanks, Jonathan. This guy always giving the super chats, man. Appreciate you, you maniac.
We are breaking out a little bit here, guys.
Didn't know that it get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong? While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about copy and trades. Life advice mixed with scalp and play. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't green.
Thanks, Angia. At a triple top. Yeah. This might not follow through.
We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. We'll let my daughter.
Let's see if this is gonna work out. I've added 1, 2. I'm in 3 contracts here. See if we can't get a little pop here. There we go. 1 contract out. Come on, boys. Keep going here. Small little base hit, though, here. One account. Looking for... There we go. All 3 contracts out. So quick $46 there on that little push. I was liking it. I took my profits a little bit ahead of this 95 area. I went long, added one on the push up there, and then had my 3 contracts ready to be sold up there at the 90s. Looks like I picked a pretty good level to sell it because top ticked that candle right there at the 90s, 590s. That was a $50 in my E8 account. Don't follow that though; it's a pretty risky trade. We might do a retest here on the top of the flag, so. Yeah, how long was that? That was basically 1 minute there. No, it was a little bit longer. So I entered, first one was here on, this is a 1 minute chart, right? Probably pretty much at the end of this candle, and then 1 full minute there, and then 1 full minute there as I got tagged out. So 2 and a bit minutes. For a real push, we need some momentum. Yeah, I know. That was just a little scalpy scalp. Like low hanging fruit push. Oh guys, I'm so tired. Thanks again, Jonathan. I appreciate your support, man. You're always showing me the love with the $2 tips there. I appreciate it. Thank you. They were waiting for Ralph and you didn't make it happen? Ralph wants to say hi. I think he's sleeping, but let's wake him up. Hi, everybody. Say hi, Ralph. Say hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. You're a heavy boy. Oh, if I sit you like this. No, you're kind of not really in the stream. There you go. You look like an Ewok, Ralph. Your little Ewok. Your little Ewok ears. Huh? He's like, Dad, quit shaking me around and making me dizzy. Good boy. Here, come on. You lie down. W's in the chat for Ralph. Hey Ralph, what's up, buddy? Scalpy scalp. Yep.
Hey, what's up? Good evening.
We are pulling back a bit here on the 1 minute chart.
Let's go.
Now he's drinking water. I woke him up, so he's thirsty now. You know what time it is when I put the Butcher Roll Call song on, right? Oh, yeah. Somebody was mad that they didn't get the duck race. Oh, there we go. We're back up to 1,400 subscribers. Whoever added that in there, thank you guys. So 410 subscribers in the last 28 days. That's awesome. Thanks so much for that. Sorry about the commercials, guys, but gotta make a little extra money somehow, you know. Trying to eventually would love to make this my, you know, sort of like full-time job. Watch ads, see my analytics. Whoa, what day was this? On Thursday, guys. On Thursday, I made $17 from the commercials and stuff. On Tuesday, I made $15. Thanks for the support. If you are letting those commercials play, it does help out a bit. So I mean, I know how it is, though. I'm not telling you to watch them, but sometimes if you do end up leaving it on, it definitely helps a bit. So Thursday, I actually got $5.80 in super chats. So I think that's why it was pretty high on that day. So it's normally about $10 or $12. Yeah, $12, $14. It's a grind. It's a grind. But hey, guys, yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. Got to get to bed. It's pretty late. I still got to take Frank for a walk. So thank you for all the support. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out. And congratulations to the winners who got the extra duck races. And then also to Keith for the 25K giveaway winner. And yeah, fill out that form when you get a chance. And then that's a fresh form for the next Sunday giveaway. So it looks like we have about 16 people in there already, so that's awesome. But yes, thank you everybody. I appreciate you guys. Just gonna do my little shout out. Trades with Timbo, Andrew Tate, Kyle Shiles, Jerry Trades, Trading Game, Jane Bond, Jonathan Stonks, Lone Wolf, Keith Smith, Force Fed, NG Gaming, Sinister Scalper, Martinez, Reds, Dog Care, Facile Crypto, Triss, Savage Princess, Wrong Trade Jim, Space Futures, Chris, Yo Jim Blav, Angia, NHO Profit, Paul's World, Vikram, Big Teflon, GK Futures, Adam Daz, Brick, Richard Dowdy, Keith Matthews, Gary LP3, Moonlight, EAB, Tim Core, Hero Crypto, Noi, David Hill, Puentes, Express, Skeletor, Camfluence, Agent 88, The Jolly Balls, The Global Summary, Sat, Wesley NQ, DJ Chaps, The 44th Punisher, Jason M, and Old Red. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or if you're earlier, also a little bit before that. So I think it's 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with Nick. I'll be there 9:30 a.m. So come hang out. And then Tuesday morning, Tuesday night, we'll see you in the evening stream. So Thanks, everybody. Love you guys. Appreciate the support as per usual. You guys are awesome. We will see you on the flip side.
Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you're ready to ride. Top one futures got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tight. We survive in every session cause we. Yeah. Mustang trader. Market Butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex.
Just read.
Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret.
Game over.
STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MGC dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. 1 base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone a candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen. Just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels, VY execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid, Evo, top one account. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants.
See you guys, Ralph, right over there. You see him? He's on the couch right there. Say hi, Ralph.
One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where
Hanging out.
value area high and value area low.
Bye-bye, everybody.